Morning, everyone. There are two demo classes I told you last class. And first demo, 20 minutes. I explain introduction last class. And next 40 minutes, I explain types of data, types of IT applications, and types of BI applications, MSB versus Power BI versus Azure BI, and what is Microsoft Fabric BI and Power BI components. So this is a part last class I explained for 1 hour, 10 minutes. And today I will explain you second demo, where the recap 10 minutes I will give you for first demo part, and next 40 minutes I will give you Power BI components, Power BI concepts, Power BI self-service example, Power BI end-to-end flow, Power BI end-to-end flow. This is the part I'm going to give you, and these are the available batches. The current batch is morning 8 o'clock. Thank you so much, and more than 10 people called me yesterday. They got proper guidance. Thank you so much. Even I look forward from other people. I already given my contact number. Call me for any kind of guidance, questions, concerns, etc. And now I will start this part. So I'm giving a recap. Focus. So coming to my details, my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number, and call time is this. You can call me, and people call me in this timing yesterday. Thank you. And I'm working as a senior lead consultant, and the training type is basics to advanced, so very detailed training. And the duration 50 to 60 hours duration, daily 1 hour class. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. Monday to Friday compulsory sessions, and monthly, 2 Saturdays you have classes. This is about training details, online, offline, both available. And coming to institution providing daily live class video, and you will get the video with 1.5 year access. Very good communication through WhatsApp and other media. Materials theory, materials practical, I will provide you. FAQs, market FAQs provided, mock interviews conducted, tabular cube sessions also conducted, which is important. And SQL sessions I will take 4 hours as part of database learning, but that is not sufficient for interview trials and job working. So learn a complete course if you want to try as a BA developer or a strong data analyst. And there are 9 topics in the SQL which are helpful for you. You can go for practice before you go for interview. So learn a whole course. Prioritize 9 topics. Projects to near real-time projects I will give you with multiple case studies. This is what institution provides. Training objective, in case you want to work in the real time, yes, or interview you want to prepare, yeah, suitable. There's an examination from Microsoft. Power BI examination, PL 300. That examination you want to clear off 70 to 80% covered in this area. Or you want to generate your own reports, yes, easily you can generate. So my training objective is this: real-time working perspective, interview suitable, PL 300 examination coverage, and generate own reports. Sir, I want to complete the examination, PL 300. Will you help me? Yes, I'll give you proper guidance so you can write your own and complete the examination. Dumps are free, and the guidance is free, no charge for it. Next. Sir, is it compulsory? You are keeping less than 3-4 years, not compulsory. But financially, you're okay and you want to showcase more, then write this examination, otherwise not required. Now, general questions. Who is eligible to learn? Any graduate is eligible to learn. And what type of component is Power BI? Power BI is a low code component. No need to write much code, full graphical. And you are eligible after learning Power BI for this technical role you want to try, report developer. And one more, BA developer, business intelligence developer. Techno-functional role you want to try, technical and functional, data analyst, BA analyst. Or you want to move little more, go to data scientist. So these are all the opportunities you can try, or these are all the roles you can try in the current market. Technical, these two. For techno-functional, these two. And data scientist also. Here along with, Power BA and a couple of other components needed. Power BA and other components needed. For clarity? Good. Next, what I provide, I explained last class clearly. In 2 months, I'll provide you real-time concepts, like data warehousing fundamental, modeling fundamental, agile methodology, GitHub versioning, 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies, database and SQL, 3 to 4 hours. But I recommend you learn whole course and then prioritize 9 topics. And MSBA tabular cube classes for 2 hours. And job trials. In case you are preparing for job, resume preparation is compulsory, FAQ is compulsory. Yes, I will provide you. And we arrange mock interviews for the people who are all interested. And Power BI subject side, cloud and on-premises, both I will cover. This is for the real-time environment and to work in the companies as a technical resource. Functional anyway you can do, but technical you want to work, you need more challenges that I'm covering. And coming to Power BI subject side, cloud interested people, these components should learn. On-premises interested people, these components. I'm covering cloud and on-premises. And Power Apps and Power Automate for 4 hours I'm covering, 2 hours, 2 hours, to give you better awareness. Sir, what if I join in a company without having knowledge on this? You confuse, because multiple components combination you find it, you confuse. This course is specially designed for those preparing for interview and to work happily in the companies. And what we provide, I told you, good theory, practical material will provide you. Daily live class videos I will share. Complete practical training you will get. Resume preparation, I will help you. And I will conduct session, I will help you. And you will be having good interaction with me during the class. And WhatsApp group is created for technical questions, concerns, etc. FAQ is also discussed in the classroom. So this we provide from the institution side. And you want to try as a Power BI developer less than 5 years in Power BI, these are the opportunities. Power BI developer, DAX, it comes under Power BI only, SQL, one opportunity. Power BI support resource, admin resource, Power BI plus MSBA combination, Power BI plus Tableau combination, Power BI plus Azure and Data Lake combination, multiple combinations. Even last class I told you what is the best combination also. Sir, I want to keep more than 5 years. More than 5 years. What are the roles available? Modeler, designer, specialist, architect. These are all for above 5 years. And what to do also I explained last class. At least 1 or 2 projects, end-to-end knowledge is required. So this is what institute provides. And these are the opportunities you can try. I explained this first. And I shared last class a video. I don't know how many of you received, and you might have received in the WhatsApp level, even mail level. This is a drive folder created for your batch. Drive folder created for your batch. Here all videos you find, and this is a checklist. What I'm going to cover next 2 months. You can click on it, go to all topics. So according to this, I follow. So this is 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. First demos, followed by this one by one I will explain. It is a high level. So more into real-time concepts, more into real-time projection, case studies and practice. Individually you want to see, then go to extraction data. What are the topics I'm covering? Transform data. What are the topics I'm covering? Modeling level, what I'm covering? Visualization level, DAX sessions. So individually I mentioned, this is a checklist which you follow in the classes. So I already placed in your drive level and many people got access. There are many people got access from the demo who are joined. Next, videos. First demo video here with documents. Second demo video here with the documents. Video not available. I will place the video after the session and documents. All of it clear? Right. And WhatsApp communication is effective. So guys who all just joined, kindly provide your mobile number and email ID in the chat room so that today's video and document you will receive. Also, you want to talk to me about your career, call me on this number. Happily, we can discuss for 5-10 minutes. In the demo level, not possible, but call me on my number, we will discuss. There are many people trying themselves and getting job. Even we help people by referring for the opportunities. We will inform for the opportunities for the students also. Yeah, if you see this, sister I mentioned here. Thanks for asking, sir. Currently, I'm working in MNC. I recently moved to Power BI. No, I got Power BI, sir. The course helped me to move into Power BI from Oracle BI to Power BI. And this person I showed you yesterday, he got total 4 opportunities. One company, Power BI plus SQL only, 14 lakh salary in India. And thanks for your cooperation, sir. I got 3 more offers recently, July month. How many years experience? Yeah, 3 to 4 years, sir. I like this many, and I provide wonderful support to students with respect to the doubts, questions, concerns, everything. Right. So regarding institute and what we provide, the communication I completed. And last class I explained about this hierarchy, data to fabric hierarchy. This I covered last class. I'm not going to cover again. Go to demo 1 video. Demo 1 video. And I will start from Power BI definition, Power BI components. This is the content for today. Power BI definition recap, Power BI components, Power BI software installation, one self-service BI end-to-end example. And you must practice this before you continue. You must practice before you continue. This is the agenda for today. Kindly cooperate me. Don't ask me for the recap of yesterday's part. I will share the videos with you. Open it and follow. And you will get very good content from me. No doubt in that. Unlike other trainers, I'll give completely useful content for you. Demo definition recap. What is Power BI? In brief, definition 1, adding more power to existing BI. That is Power BI. Already MSBI available from Microsoft. For the MSBI, more features added, that is Power BI. And definition 2, a low-code application, Power BI. Cloud and on-premises supportive application. Low-code, cloud and on-premises supportive. Self-service BI application, because end-to-end you can do. To create reports and dashboards from data. So if you want to create a report and dashboard from the data, Power BI is helpful. And two more simple points. It's a modern BI. The input for Power BI is any data, any type, any format. And output from Power BI is a report or dashboard. So this is brief about Power BI. All of you clear? What is the input? What is the output in Power BI? So you guys learn Power BI to generate reports and dashboard from the data, any type of data. Simple answer. I given very detailed description about this in this yesterday's part. Go through it. Online people, you want to ask any questions? Kindly ask. Offline people, any questions you want to ask? Yes, please do ask. No questions? Right. And then Power BI components we'll discuss. Guys, I'm giving my contact number. Kindly call my number. And provide your email ID and mobile number to get videos and documents, both the videos and documents. Let me start now. Fresh part. First, know about types of reporting in IT. How many types of reporting available in IT? First one, non-page related reporting. This is the first one, remember. So what do you mean by non-page related? If you see this, guys, there is a report available here. And 17, 18, 19. And some image available, some text box available, business values available, pie chart, line chart, map visual, different visuals available. All in a single page. If you select 17, 17 data, it will show everywhere. 18, 18 data show everywhere. 19, 19 data. Or if you click on it, respective data, it will show. That is a non-page related. Single page with different types of information. Simply, we have multiple visuals. Data is not divided into multiple pages. Data not divided into multiple pages. So it is called advanced reporting. And we use in Power BI level a desktop component, Power BI desktop component to do this. So this kind of advanced reporting we create in Power BI, and that is called non-paginated report. We also have something called paginated report. Very regular reporting, old reporting style. So this is the way, if you see this. So first page, 10 records, second page, 10 records. That is called paginated reporting. There's a look and feel difference. Old reporting style. Many people prefer this till this day. Some people going for advanced. And paginated report. So data is divided into multiple pages, and each page is printable. So data divided into multiple pages, each page is printable. Assume you have 200 rows, and every page I require 20 rows, and I need 10 pages. So 200 records available, every page, 20 records, and 10 pages required. Your resume in multiple pages. Your resume in multiple pages. Your book in multiple pages. Similarly, this is called paginated report and paginated reporting concept. How do we develop? So we develop by using report builder component in Power BI or SQL Server data tool component in Power BI. These two will help. In IT industry, two types of reporting. First one, advanced reporting like this, or basic paginated report like this. Very, very important. Total reporting I'm explaining. Now, I will go to the next part. Power BI components. How many components available? Okay, reporting two types, okay. Then how many components available in Power BI? Power BI level 8 components available with 4 concepts. If interview level or anywhere you want to answer this. We have 8 components and 4 concepts. First, cloud components. Cloud. So you're interested to keep your reports in Microsoft cloud level, and you want to ask customers to work from there, then cloud. First one, report development component, Power BI desktop. This is the component. It uses these concepts: Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map. These 4 concepts. So what is the first component? Desktop. Power BI desktop. What it does? Report development. How it does? Use these 4 concepts. Don't feel panic. Slowly you understand. This is the first day. Regularly we work on the same. You feel bored after 2 days. Online, offline people, remember, after 2 days, you feel very bored. This is cloud. Second one, see, moving this information to cloud. I said report creation only, but where is cloud? Move report to cloud. So this is called Power BI service. And in this area, you place the reports. So customers will connect to this, bring it. Connect to this, bring it. So these are the 2 components for the cloud interested people. 95% people use this only. Next, on premises. Within my company, I want to keep the reports and I want to share to the customers. Even my management also within my company server level, on premises. There's a third component, report server desktop. Same concepts it will implement. Then where is the difference? That I will tell you later. So on premises people go for this component and they will move to on premises server. On premises server. Finally, end users will come into the picture. So your server, here you will keep the reports. So customer will connect and bring the data. First component, second component, third component, fourth component. Cloud people will connect to this bring it. On-premises people will control this and bring it. Sir, I want to, on-premises means within your company, you will install the servers and people will connect and bring it. Next, other components. Very important, look at this. First one, Power BI report builder. And this is for paginated reporting. So, and these two for non-paginated report. Remember this terminology. Technically, you want to work perfectly in the companies, this terminology you need to understand. Directly companies mentioning in the description, we need paginated report developers. We need non-paginated report developers. That time you face complexity. What is paginated, what is non-paginated? As these are two simple words, try to learn. A non-paginated report we develop by using this, and paginated report builder. Next, sixth component, embedding. You want to place your report in social media, website, blog, in those areas. That concept comes under embedding. Seventh component, Power BI developer. You don't like the visuals which we have in Power BI. You want to develop your own visuals, possible by using Power BI developer to create our own visuals. And a gateway, the last component in Power BI, which will establish communication between on-premises to cloud. From your machines to cloud, you want to establish communication, this is required. So these are the maximum components in the Power BI. And 95% people using this Power BI desktop and cloud. And 3% people, 5% people using this. Sir, what about report builder? This is nowadays 100% people using report builder. 100%. Very important. And current demo level, I will explain you how to work on it. What is desktop? How do we develop a report? I will show you practically. Is that fine? And in the regular classes, we'll discuss all about this. I'll take 10-hour sessions for this. Power BI service, 10-hour session. And report builder, 3-hour session. And for gateway, 4-hour session in our regular class level. Now we'll explain about Power BI desktop report development. See guys, you have data like this. These are family expenses data. Date wise, amount, reason, area, location available. So each date, how much money, what is the reason, area, location. Lockdown period, 20, 21, 19 and 20, what are the money I spent available. This is a daily family expenses data. You can set daily transactions data and OLTP data, technically, online transaction processing data. What is OLTP? I told you yesterday, the area where we keep transaction information, day-to-day transactions. And this data, I want to convert decision-making data like this. This is called BA data. This is called decision-making data, analytical data. How do you convert this data into this? Like total, average, max, min, and here year available, here month available. If customers select or users select year and month, respect to year and month values. And here spending available for which reason, how much money, which location, how much percentage of money, and what are the locations travel. So based on year selection, month selection, I want information here, 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 and here also. Not only that, even if I click on this location based values required. If I click on this location based values required. Such kind of wonderful interactive report I want to create. And the data is called BA data, analytical data, decision-making data. How can I create from this a wonderful data like this? by using a component Power BI desktop in Power BI. Very powerful, very powerful. And in this desktop level, you will take the data, the input is data, output is business intelligence data like this. So this data we will take, this data we deliver. But in between a fixed business intelligence process we implemented. This is a fixed BA process. So this will take the data. If it is not shaped, shape it in the transformation area. If multiple tables available, relationships established in the model. If security required, yes, security. Finally, visual presentation. So these are the 5 areas: extraction, transformation, modeling, security, visual. A fixed process. Do not feel confused by seeing YouTube video and other videos. If you feel like I'm able to generate report, it's a normal way. But at industry level, company level, they expect a process. The process implementation is this. You need to prepare documents in the companies regarding your process. How do you prepare if you don't know the process? And don't assume, yep, we'll get the data and generate a report in the real time. There's a process in between we need to learn. And today I'll give you the brief understanding about this process. So I will explain this component and this process now by converting this to this. This is the example I do. Everyone clear? Any questions?
Yeah, clear.
Right, sir. Now, what is desktop? In academics, we studied the area where we have graphical information, graphical presentation. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are using desktops daily. And we have Power BI desktop, so Windows desktop, Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop. Now, Power BI desktop, Power BI graphical operations area. So more and more graphical operations you will find in the Power BI. Are you comfortable in this presentation? Or you want me to type it? Online people, how do you feel comfortable? Typing in a notepad or presenting like this?
Presentation is good. No need to write it. Thanks.
Yeah, I'm not typing anything to save my time and your time. So Power BI desktop, Power BI graphical operations area. So there are 3 words actually here. Power BI desktop. The word power indicate adding more features to existing BI. And BI indicate which will take data and generate reports. Desktop indicate graphical operations area. Simply more features added to BI in the graphical area. More features added to BI and available as a graphical component. That is the meaning of Power BI desktop. Next, input to desktop, any data, any type, any storage, simply data. Output from the desktop, you will get a desktop document. Very important to remember, not a report. Power BI desktop level, you will get document where the document contain report information, where the document containing data. So we will work on Power BI desktop, which will take data, generate desktop document, where it is having a report and data. That's the reason the Power BI desktop file extension is PBIX. What is extension? If you want to save Excel documents, XLSX, Word documents, DOCX, PPT document, PPTX. X is common. So Power BI document file extension PBIX. Next, requirements. Basic requirements I'll tell you. Operating system Windows 10 or above, better. But some machines support 8.1 or earlier, some machines, but 10 or above always good. Second one, RAM minimum 2 GB RAM is good, but 4 GB recommended for better speed. Minimum 4 GB. Processor minimum 1.5 GHz. So these are the 3 requirements you are supposed to know. Yes, in case your machine supporting this, download today according to my process and install it. There are a couple of additional available: display, landscape. This slowly you'll understand. But these three are important. Yes. Sir, what is desktop? Power BI desktop, input, output, everything is good. And system requirements also matching. Then how do we download and install? That's the next part. So, right, look at this, guys. How to download Power BI desktop or reports or desktop? Two ways. First one, Google it and download. It's a normal download. Using account, advanced download without account. I'll show you today advanced download, this download. So you can Google it and download, advanced download. Or you can go to Power BI service and download cloud service. And this is recommended in the real time, the B way. Google it and download, but second way is good. And I'll explain you tomorrow because you need account to download. That account also will provide you. We provide you cloud accounts till 2 years. Okay. Right, sir.
Power B or Power BI?
Where?
App dot Power BI.
Yes, spelling mistakes. Power BI.
BI.
Yeah, Power.
Yes, because it is a link we are providing with.
Yeah, but it's a spelling mistake, typing mistake. Right, sir. But before downloading, try to know one important thing. Go to your PC properties and see the configuration. Or go to system information, see the configuration, either of them. Then you download. You know this. Go to search sysinfo. Sysinfo. Click on it. It will show you very clearly your system configuration. What is your OS? Windows 11. And what is your processor and speed? And what is the system type? These three are important. OS, what is your system type, and what is your processor? These three are important. 64-bit machine PC, my machine. Now, my RAM is 16 GB RAM. How much? 16 GB, my machine. So go to sysinfo and look into this. System information. Now Google it. I'm downloading the software. Please download today, install it and practice it. Power BI desktop download. From now, I will maintain little speed, kindly cooperate. It's a demo example and don't feel panic. Regular class, you will understand much better. Power BI desktop download, type it. Click on download. And there is a description here. And there are details here. Desktop version and what exactly desktop does. System requirements. Installation instructions. So read everything. Don't ask anyone about installation process. Just go and read. And then click download. It will ask you two versions. This is the current machine. My current machine is this. It was showing x64 based. That's why I asked you go to system information and see. So go to Power BI setup, 64-bit because my system showing. If your system showing x86, this is called 32-bit machine. You can download this. Your interest 64 or 32. And my machine is 64. So I will click on this and download. I already downloaded. It looks like this. This is the way it looks like. Just go here, next, next, finish. In between last queue, tick mark and some navigation. Next, finish, tick mark and navigation. Got clarity? So this is about Power BI desktop software downloading, installing. Once you install it, you will see like this. It's downloaded without account, so it looks like this. The online people, once again, who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number to get demo video documented. And also, if you want to talk to me, call me on my number for a hassle-free discussion about your career, questions, everything. This is my contact number. More than 10 people approached me yesterday. I'm expecting from everyone.
Vinay, yesterday I shared my mail ID, but I not received any WhatsApp link or right.
Maybe you may have mentioned wrong email ID because 5 to 6 email IDs are wrong yesterday. Maybe you shared wrong email ID.
Okay, let me share.
At Power BI desktop. This was a software install. I will click on it. Open. Sorry. So this is the way you find the look and feel. This is the first screen. The home is available. Blank report. If you want to create a blank report, or you want to create a report from one like data hub, or you want to create report from Excel, or you want to create a report from database and more data, then you can directly connect. And this is called saving, quick saving. And this is called undo, redo, title of the application, title. And user already signed in. I have an account, so I signed in. I'll give you the account tomorrow. And minimizing, maximizing, closing. Home, blank report. You want to open existing report, open. And you want to sign out, sign out. And what is the desktop you installed? Who is the user installed? Who is the user currently connected? If you want to see, go to about. I'll explain this later. So these are some of the important settings, and I will go for blank report. Click blank report. Ready. So this is the interface. Color blind, friendly interface. Self-service BI interface. Here data, extraction, transformation, modeling, extraction, transformation, modeling, secure, visualization, everything we do. Finally, BA data we get. This is the first area, second area, third area, fourth area, fifth area. Compulsory 1 and 5. So we need to bring the data into this desktop area. We need to visualize it. And this is the first area. This is the second area, third area, fourth area, fifth area. In these 5 areas, 1 and 5 compulsory, remaining 3 optional. All of you okay? And this is for quick saving, undo, redo. I'm showing top. Title of the application. And this is account, minimizing, maximizing, closing. And this area is called menu tabs area. And this is called as home menu ribbon options. And we are having here multiple views. First one, report view. Report information. Second area, table view. Don't feel panic. Daily use this. One time if you practice, you remember it. Table view. Table data visible. In this area, we establish relationships. And this is an area recently given DAX editor area, the low code editor area. So report information, table data information visible, and relationships. And this is called canvas. This white color area. Here only we will take the visuals. And this is filtering area. Filter pane. Data filter options. And this is visualization pane. Data visualization options. And this is data pane. Data set information available. And here you will see the queries. You can also call it as tables. Queries, columns, parameters, everything related to data you will see in this area. So if you want data, yeah, go to this. If you want to visual, go to this. If you want to filter the data, go to this. You want to see the data, what you have, go to this. And you want to create a report in the mobile view. This is for the mobile view. Mobile suitable dimensions you will create. And this is suitable to create a report for web or desktop. Web or desktop suitable. And in this area, you will see the data storage mode. Slowly you understand. Storage mode you will see. Import mode, direct query mode, multiple modes available, modes. In our current demo example, I will show one, how to use it. I will show two, how to use it. Three, not suitable because only one table I'm taking. And four, not suitable because security I don't want to apply. Five, I will explain reporting. So 1, 2, 5, I will show you in the total 5 steps in today's demo example. Shall we see? Yeah, don't worry, this screen I will explain in detail in the regular class for 1 hour. 1 hour. Next. First, what to do? This is the area we need to go because of data extraction area. So click. Where is the input? Excel is the input. It is in my system. Date, right? Guys, this is the Excel file. I'll give you the file, you can use it. Family expenses, Excel. Click open. My input is Excel, I given from here. Select the daily expenses data. This is a preview. And then click load. The data will be loaded. Now click on this table view. It's a table view. See this is table view and data you can see. So once again, once you click Excel data, whatever the data you browse, it will come to data area, automatically expanded, it will show here. This data you want to see, go to table view. Click table view, the data visible in this area. This data shown. It is not in proper shape. Means not in column by column. This is supposed to be column heading, date, amount, reason, location. And also this we don't require. So we don't require this first, and this is supposed to be column heading. Two operations needed to make it column by column. And also area location like this available. If you want to analyze location separate, area separate, we need to split. Third operation. So if you want to make this proper shape, 3 changes required. One is remove this. Second, make this as column heading. Third, split the data. So these are called data changes. And we call that data transforms. If you want to do it, go to second area. And that is transformation area. And technically, we call the second area as Power Query area. Technical one in Power BI. So the current data, what you got is not in proper shape, not in proper column by column. And we need to make it proper shape, remove this, make this column heading and split the data. Shall we do this? Able to understand what I'm doing? Right, go to report view. Always better, go to report view. Don't bother about navigations. One example will give you complete understanding if you practice once. So see how easily I'm doing it. From this example, you need to understand whether I'm doing in a complex way or easy way. I'm going to do wonders now. So report view. This is a transformation area. Earlier extraction area, no transformation area. This is the area. Click transform data. It will open a window like this. First time one window, transformation window. Full length of transformations available. These are all transformations. Even you right click here, you'll find transformations. Even you right click here, you'll find transformations everywhere. But now I want transformations on this only. And in this area, the suitable operations available in this area. This is the one, this is the area. What I will do? First, I will use this remove top rows because I want to remove this. Second, I will use this, use first row as header. If you remove this, this will be the first row. And I want to make it as header. So go to this. 2 operations I want to do. Shall I? Right. So click on this corner. So this record I want to remove. 1. So click on it. Remove top rows. Mention 1. Click OK. So not, no problem. Intentional I given one wrong option. So if you want to cancel it, in the right hand side query steps available, cancel whatever you applied. No undo, cancel here. Now click on it. Remove top row. Mention 1. First row removed. Now this is the first row. Click on it. Use first row as header. The 2 steps implemented, 2 steps here. If you want to cancel, you can cancel. And I want to split this into 2 columns. So right click, split concept is there. This column I want to split, go to split. You can ask me, sir, how do you remember, sir? How do you remember? How do you remember this? By practice. 1-2 times if you practice it, you remember it. Now split column by delimiter. 2 hyphens. So because 2 hyphens available, I want to split. Custom and 2 hyphens. Click OK. Don't do anything. Now area location 1, area location 2. Click on it. area. Click on it. Location. This is the area. This is the location. Just double click and change. So I did operations once again. Go to this, remove top row. Again, go to this, first row is header. Go to this, split column by separator. All completed. So if data changes completed, go to close and apply. Home menu, close and apply, close and apply. What do you mean by that? Apply for saving the changes, close for closing the window. Because I want to continue with the next part. So I need to close this window. And till I close this window, I cannot go for the next part. So the changes I want to save and close it. Click on it. So first you made a proper shape. So go to report view, so table view. It's a table view. Now you're able to see proper data. Date, amount, reason, area, location. All of you okay? Anything complex? No coding, nothing. Navigations are new. Apart from that, nothing.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where these changes are stored, this report table? Right?
Yes, I forgot to tell you. Where do these changes will be saved? Very simple. File menu. First save the file. Save. It's asking me, where do you want to keep? I want to keep in my demo folder. VinayTech first demo report. And what is the extension? PBX. So file menu, save the file with this title in this folder and PBX. Word document with DOCX, Excel document with XLSX, or be PBX. So whatever right now you're doing, like data saving, changes saving, everything in this area, in this file. Local area, simply local. Got clarity?
Yes, sir. But by
No.
default, where it saves, we exclusively mention the path. Without, suppose I haven't mentioned any
Now,
path.
whatever the default path you mention in your machine, there it will save.
Oh, local
Otherwise-
mission, local path.
Yes, local. Local only. Right now I saved in my local machine only.
Oh.
Some D drive or C drive.
Uh-huh.
And you can see that. This is my demo folder, C drive. Under documents folder, demo available. It's not a cloud folder. Under demos level, see, this is the one I just saved it. Power BI desktop document, not a report. Everyone able to see? So here only the information available. When you open it, again the same way it will open. That's it. So my intention is completed. Getting the data, transforming the data. Relationship not needed. Model view, third step. Because one table, what type of relationship you require? If two or more available, relationship. So third one not required. Fourth one, security not in our concept, but visualization is in our concept. I will explain visualization. So I will go back to our report. So this is what I want to develop. This is what. And this is a simple value for total amount. And we call it as a card visual. It's a simple value, card visual, card visual, card visual. And this is a slicer. It's a slicer. Filter, manual filter. And this is a bar chart. And this is a donut chart, sorry, pie chart. And this is a map visual. So these are the visuals I will use now as part of our example. Shall I? Good. Please look at this. First one, card. Guys, this is a build area. You have something called card. Click on card. This is the first visual. You will get like this. I want here total value. So go to fields. So visual fields. Same every day you do it. So you remember, don't worry. field, I will take amount. It is showing sum. So this is sum value. Similarly, take one more card visual, add data, amount. But I need average here. So there is an option here, arrow mark. Click on this, field summarization, average. Change it here. I want one more card. Click card visual, add field, amount, and I need maximum. Click on this arrow mark, summarization, maximum. Similarly, take card, add field, amount you select, click on it. In place of sum, minimum. By default, it will take sum and take minimum. All four okay? And I want to format. I want this in normal number format, and label. So this is a label and data. Number format, label and data. Number format, label and data. So highlight this. This is a format area, format. See, this is visualization, this is format. And size and style. Here you have common property for all visuals. These are common property for all visuals. I just want border. I take border only here. Border on. So here only border I'm taking. Now call out value. This is called call out value if you want to format. This is called category label if you wish to format. Guys, stay tuned for maximum 10 minutes. I will close the session 10 minutes. Stay tuned. In case you haven't provided email ID, mobile number, kindly provide. But stay tuned for 10 minutes. Now, this call out value, click on it, bold. I will take a color here, blue color, and I will take here size 30. Now, unit, I don't want a KK for 1000. Click on it and none. None means normal value. Next, category label. This is category label. Call out value this, color value, and increase it. Bold. Ready. Put this, and I will go like this. So call out value, category label completed. You work on it. It's just color assignment, font assignment. The same thing I want for remaining three. The same thing. Border and category label. Then go to home menu, format painter. What is this? Format painter. Please see this. Home and format painter. Highlight, format painter, click. Format painter, click. Format painter, click. Now, select it. Select it. Select. Looking good? Yeah, select any visual, home menu, format painter, wherever you want, just click on it. Yes. No control C, no control V. Okay. And I want to make all as a single group. Select all visuals. It's so easy. Select all visual, format menu, click group. So all will be single group. Advantage, you can move at a time, all. It's not helping me. Like this, you can move at a time. And any title you want to give, you can give. So grouping also okay. I need filtering here. So go to slicer. First visual completed, card visual. Now slicer visual. Take slicer. This is a slicer you take. This slicer. Don't use this. Take this. I want year-based filtering. So add data, date table, year you select. Yeah. If you like this, no problem. Otherwise, go to setting. See, format setting. This is slicer setting, how you want to show. This is header setting. And this is value setting, in case you want to show the values. Slider. This is a slider setting. All the settings available. I just want to go for slicer setting. Style level, I will take list. This is a list. Or you want button tile. Tile is a button filtering. And drop down filtering. I just want a list. Done. Slicer setting level list. Now header. This is called header. I will go to header and bold and font color header. This is the color I'm giving and increase the size. And normal value level, I will take a color bold and black blue color, increase it. Simple guys, don't worry about information. Here visual, but I need border. I told you routine options are here, regular options, size and style, visual border on. So if you click 19, 19 total average max and min, 18, 18 total 18 average max and min. Both you select control, press control and select both. Press control and select both. Both will change. This is how it will work. Want to clear it? Clear the selection on top. But similarly, I want month. This time I will copy paste. Visual copy paste. One more topic. Control C. Control V. Visual copy paste. And here you take month. Remove the field here. The copy paste data should be changed. So in the field level, you take month. Go to this date table month. So in this visual month, it is showing all the months. If you see this, all the months. But I need in this area only 2 months. I selected month, so all months. I need only 2 months. Then go to filter, highlight this visual, go to filter, select, click on it. So visual on the filter, sorry, filter on the visual, filter on this visual and select. I want July, I want August. 2 only I'm selecting. Highlight, filter this. So now I'm explaining how do we use filter concept. Highlight a visual, go to filter on the visual, select only that information filtered. If you select July, July information. If you select August, August information. 90, 20, 20 August information. Got clarity? Simple, no need to write any coding, just take the visual, take the field. Formatting is your wish. Every visual having data and formatting area. Yes, sir.
You select July, you take it from 1924.
Yeah, 1924, perfect. Next, I want for which reason I spent more money, which reason I spent less money, like books, petrol, travel. So bar chart, this is a bar chart I'm using. Click on bar chart. Bar chart having 2 sections, majorly y-axis, x-axis. I want to take in the y-axis level reason, x-axis level amount. 2 sections I want to take. Yes, let me go to y-axis. I will take here a reason. For which reason? X-axis level, I will take amount. Now see, it's font and all very small size. So I click this view. This is called focus view. Click on it and you will see food value 1,33,900. Travel value 50,000. Internet 12,500. Entertainment 11,900. And these two are top spending and these two are least spending. Top spending, least spending. Back to it. And I will go to visual border. Next, I want to show location and amount spent. Then go to a pie chart. Pie chart level, it will ask you legend. Legend level, I will take location. Since I separated location and area, I'm able to use location. So legend level location, value level amount. If you click visual border, you can turn on. Now place here. Hyderabad 40%, blank 7%, Vijayawada 15%. You see the percentage value, Vijayawada value percentage. That is possible through pie chart. Just high level explanation, low level we see in detail later. So one for comparison, one for composition. I will explain this visual for half an hour, this visual for half an hour, this visual for half an hour to 40 minutes in the class. Next, mapping. This is a map visual I'm taking, map. Last visual. And the map visual level, location I want to show. Location. Location information. You can explore bigger. So these are the locations I traveled in the total old locations. It is showing me only those. I'm expert. But I want to show based on the business, the bubble size. These are bubbles, bubble size. Go down, bubble size available. I will click on this amount. So wherever more spending, bigger bubble. Wherever least spending, small bubble. I took two things. One is location level location and bubble size level amount. You can go back and you can click on it and general option visual border on common. I will move. So for every visual field area, every visual format area available, use it. One visual, if you practice remaining visuals, you can do easily. And if I select 19, what are the locations I travel, location percentages, and location level amount spending top and bottom, and 19 values. 19 August I select, August locations, there's a change. August spendings, August values. And 19 July I will take, July locations. 20 locations are different, 20 values are different. Not only this is slicing. If you click on this, for example, respect information will show you. If you click on this, respect information show you. This is called cross-highlighting, cross-filtering. Cross-highlighting, cross-filtering. In the current report level, you are having slicing, you are having cross-highlighting filtering. That's why this is called modern reporting, not legacy. And we don't have pages, so we call it as non-paginated reporting. We don't have data in multiple pages, non-paginated reporting. And this complete information right now saved under file menu save. It is in your local system wherever you place it. Got clarity? So this is the area I saved it, demos. And this is the one 919. Yes. The size of the file is 550 KB. If you increase the data here, this is the data area. Data increase, automatically size of the file will increase. And how much volume it will support maximum, and which volume is good for performance. Everything I will tell you in the next session. Don't worry. Right, sir. So a very simple report just to give you some understanding how easily we do and what kind of operations we do. Now you can ask me, sir, where do we use the DAX language? And the sum, average, maximum, minimum. For this, no language is required in Power BI. But if you want last year value, you want cumulative value, running total, start of year value. Like this, if you want to work on, then the low code language DAX is needed. Data analysis expression. And if you don't do it, you cannot implement the operations. Right. Next. Fine. DAX language use I explain. But in this area, we are having extraction part, transformation part, modeling part, and many other. But I want to share only this to customer. Customer required only this part. How is it possible? This part is required by the customer. How? Then we need to move this to cloud. We need to move this to server. Then only customers can come to cloud or customers can come to server and do it. Got clarity? So that we will see in detail in the regular class, and I'm concluding with today's part. So we created from normal data, a report data using desktop by implementing the concepts. Kindly implement the input data I will give you, practical document I will give you how to do it. Please implement it without seeing the video and go to this practical document, you can do it. This is Power BI second demo area. In this demo area, the input file I already mentioned, the practical document also mentioned, use it.
You call it in a report or dashboard?
No, this is a report only.
What is dashboard?
That we will see later, sir. I already explained you, that I will explain later. Yesterday, I explained the differences between report and dashboard clearly.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll see that later. And Power BI components, this component I explained report development, but customers want to access, again, service or server required. So today, my agenda, Power BI components. First, demo recap, Power BI components explanation, Power BI concepts explanation, self-service BI example, one end-to-end flow I explained. This is today. And yesterday I explained this. Both video you will receive now. The drive access I will give you. My request, please download Power BI software, follow the document and prepare a report and see the hands-on. It's a very simple one. Anybody can learn. Any graduate can learn. I'm winding up. One second, sir. I will close it. So these are the available batches. The current batch is 8 a.m. from tomorrow. From tomorrow. Demos completed. And these are my details. You can call me on this timings in this number. On this number, you can call me in these timings. So basics to advanced training. The training is very advanced level. All topics, depth of Power BI you will see in my classes. Depth of Power BI. You want to become a very good learner. Yeah, definitely our institute best suits. Practicals and content in depth. You can see the checklist, because if I explain checklist, you will not understand, but checklist having complete depth of subject. 60 hours you learn end-to-end completely. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. Today you practice it, then you understand. That's the reason I don't entertain fast track. But sir, I want to go for fast track. Call me on this number. I'll give you how to take my sessions fast track way. Or you explicitly want fast track, then also ping on this number. My management team will help you for the fast track. Offline, online, both classes available. And live practices I will give you almost Saturdays. And this will help you your hands-on live practice. No institution providing, but we provide. And daily video for 1.5 years access, WhatsApp theory, practical material, mock interviews also I will conduct for you. And we will get opportunities from companies. We'll inform you whenever we get. SQL 4 hours I will give you. That is not sufficient for your interview trials. Learn whole course and prioritize 9 topics. I already given in the checklist level what are the 9 topics. 2 near real-time projects I will provide you and multiple case studies. Training objective, real-time working perspective, interview suitable, and PL 300 examination coverage. Or you want to generate your own reports also, my training is suitable. You don't want to try in IT, you want to generate your own reports possible with industry process. Any graduate eligible, it's a low code component. And my Power BI suitable for report development role, technical, BA development role, technical, and data analyst role, techno-functional, business analyst role, techno-functional, and data scientist. These are the opportunities. So Power BI end-to-end you want to see with good case studies and practicals. Yes, I'm one of the best trainer. Confidently, you can join.